What is up? Got an exciting one today. We are going to be installing this hood stack right here. That's what it's gonna sound like. So, first things first, we need to hurry because it's getting dark. I've got the measurement for cut in the hood. I've got a 4-inch hole saw. I've got a drill and the sawzall and stuff. So we're about to find out how fast we can delete the exhaust and install a hood stack. I guess technically I don't even have to delete the whole exhaust. I can just kind of cut some of it off, put this on. Anyways, I'm about to make my little marky mark right there. All right, so the guy I bought it from Marketplace sent me some measurements, and he says 20 5/8 from here to here, and then 10 5/8 from top to bottom. It looks about right. I don't know what 5/8, I'm a plumber, okay, and I use measuring kits every day. I don't know where 5/8 is on this, but I know it's more than 3/4, so I think 5/8, I don't know. Anyways, roughly right there. It's a 4-inch hole, and this is 3-inch, so it really shouldn't be too bad. So I'm gonna probably just kind of make sure it's right in the general location, and then we're gonna pop a hole in there. Well, I've gotten part of the downpipe out. The only issue I'm really running into right now is it seems like I can't get that V-band very loose, and so it's just really not wanting to get the downpipe off. But I'm gonna get it off. Trust me, I'm gonna get it off. Give me like a long time. I don't know, everything I do on this truck is just the hardest thing in the world. I'm not, after this downpipe and whatever else, one other thing that I've already got on orders coming, that might be it. I might be done with the work, man. This thing wears me out every single time I work on it. All right, I have good news and bad news. Bad news first. I snapped the bolt for the V-band, trying to get it loose. Probably should have known that the reason that it was just really tight was because I wasn't spinning the nut. I was just turning the whole bolt and it snapped. So I called my hub store, O'Reilly's. It's about 15 minutes away, and they have a 3-inch V-band clamp, which is crazy. So I'm gonna rush there before they close, and we're gonna get this done tonight. No matter what we gotta do, it's gonna happen. So here we go. What y'all know about this mother friggin' Prius? We finna, oh, stay right there. Oh, not gonna happen. Okay, I'm about to prop you right here. I don't know where I'm going, but I feel like I can just sense my direction now because of the primal state I am in. I must fix my truck because it's the only vehicle that will take me to work. So it has to get fixed. I have no other option. On the way here, I hit a trailer hitch on the back of the truck, and it hurt. Okay, bag secured. I have a probably used V-band clamp. I also got power steering fluid with stop leak because I took the truck off-roading recently, and I believe I might have blown, what's it called? I might have blown a O-ring or something, because she's dripping pretty steady now. I'm hoping that maybe she just needs a break. I'm hoping maybe she needs a break. And oh, where'd the road go? I can't see the road. It's over here. See, oh, I can't see the road. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What you know about this? Oh yeah, you ready for this? For the flooring test? You ready? 45 to the floor. Oh, turn the headlights on. Oh. I'll tell you what, that is incredibly fast compared to the 7.3. Anyways, we are going to put this V-band clamp on and put this motherfucking stack on and cut a hole in the hood. So let's get to it. Okay, fighting and cutting. The downpipe is removed. So now, about to cut the hole in the hood, stack on, start it up, maybe go down the street, and then go to bed. So here we go.
I really hope that the hole needs to be right here.
That's where it's about to go. I know I'm lame in the comments about I'm using this. I swear I use whole stock at work, but this metal is not cooperating. Okay, let me just go through this installation real quick. Alright, well, after many trials and tribulations, a little bit of blood, maybe even some tears, I have the Hoodstack 7.3. The hole is a little off, but we're about to see if she closes. I know it closes before I tightened it up, but let's see. Oh, I could lean it back. I need to lean it back. Okay, brief intermission. Okay, attempt number 1 million. Hoodstack on, hole in, hood. All right, Hoodstack is on. It's time for the first start of the old rig. See how she goes. Kind of crazy that it's almost not any louder at idle. Sounds sick to hear that. Let's go for a little drive. Hear my sloppy trans, but bone stock, it needs some more fuel. It's got like a bogging issue where it either needs, I got to do all the maintenance, probably needs a fuel filter or a new H-pop and whatnot, but let me do the gears myself. In the middle of the road, about to do a little obviously it's probably just because of the sound, but I swear it's faster than it used to be. And it sounds amazing. It almost felt like it tried to do a burnout, which it's never been able to do one before. But did you hear it? The fuel cutting? I'm pretty sure that's, my Cummins used to do that and it was a fuel filter problem. But let's give it a little, oh sure. Let's give it a little rev here at the CBS. Getting a little smoke on a stock 7.3. See if we can see it through the window. Also, look at how much faster it revs now. I'm glad I did all that work. I'm glad. Sorry guys, I just wanted to throw in a little daytime driving clip. I'm at lunch for work, but I love this thing. I think it sounds great. I got a little something special coming tomorrow, so the next video you see after this one will be a install video on that and a little test. So yeah, stick around for that, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go ahead and end it here, so please like and subscribe so I can keep making cool videos like this, and yeah, bye bye.